Are your legs feeling heavier each morning? Does getting out of a chair or walking to the mailbox feel harder than it used to? You might think it's just aging. But it's actually your body signaling that you're losing collagen and muscle faster than you can rebuild them. The good news? You can restore that strength. And it starts at the breakfast table. In this video, you'll discover 5 collagen-rich breakfasts that have helped my real-life patients in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, regain their balance, energy, and independence. And the number 1 breakfast on this list? It increased muscle strength by over 30% in clinical trials. If you're tired of feeling weak and ready to feel steady again, stay with me. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss practical, age-specific health tips. And let me know you're here by typing 1 in the comments. Breakfast number 1. Quinoa plus blueberries plus unsweetened almond milk.
It might look simple.
But this bowl is a powerhouse. After 60, your body naturally loses muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. It affects nearly 1/3 of seniors and shows up in the form of wobbly legs, trouble standing, and slower walking. Quinoa is not just a grain. It's one of the few plant-based sources containing all 9 essential amino acids, key to rebuilding muscle and synthesizing collagen. It also provides magnesium and manganese, essential for joint repair and flexibility.
Take Ellen, 74.
She swapped her toast and coffee for this warm bowl of quinoa topped with blueberries and almond milk. 3 weeks later, she walked around the block, without her cane, for the first time in months. Blueberries offer anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect existing collagen and stimulate new production with their natural vitamin C. Unsweetened almond milk brings vitamin E and calcium to the table, both critical for joint comfort and bone strength. This breakfast is warm, gentle, and deeply functional. Ideal for older adults looking to protect their mobility every morning. Breakfast number 2. Hard-boiled eggs plus avocado plus whole grain toast. This trio may be humble, but it's clinically potent. 2 hard-boiled eggs supply lysine, glycine, and proline, collagen-building amino acids that decline sharply after 60. They also contain choline, vital for keeping your nerves and muscles working in sync. I think of Calvin, 78. After a fall on his driveway, we revamped his breakfast. Eggs, avocado, and toast. In 4 weeks, he reported walking down the porch steps. No rail, no hesitation. Avocado provides healthy fats to absorb vitamins D, E, and K, key to bone density and inflammation control. Its magnesium and potassium help reduce painful cramps and support muscle function. Whole grain toast offers slow-release carbs and manganese, fuel and structure to help your body repair collagen and avoid blood sugar spikes that harm joints. This meal isn't just a breakfast, it's a form of restoration. Breakfast number 3. Bone broth plus pumpkin seeds plus spinach. There's healing in a warm bowl of bone broth, especially when mornings begin with stiffness or soreness. Bone broth, slow-cooked from bones and connective tissue, delivers highly absorbable collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, exactly what aging joints need. Jeanette, 76, once gave up piano and gardening due to pain. After a month of starting each morning with bone broth, pumpkin seeds, and spinach, she returned saying, "I played a full piece for the first time in 2 years." Pumpkin seeds provide zinc and magnesium, key for collagen repair, cramp prevention, and healthy sleep. Spinach is loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, and natural plant nitrates to boost leg circulation. Together, this bowl offers soothing nourishment for those needing comfort and repair from the inside out. Breakfast number 4. Banana smoothie plus Greek yogurt plus flax seeds. For days when cooking feels too hard, this 3-minute smoothie is your secret weapon. Bananas bring potassium to help regulate muscle contractions and prevent morning cramps. Greek yogurt supplies casein, a slow-digesting protein that supports muscle repair all day long. It also gives your body calcium and vitamin D to strengthen bones and produce collagen.
Take Gerald, 68.
After swapping his carb-heavy breakfast for this smoothie, he stood up from his recliner, without using his arms, for the first time in years. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3s and lignans, natural anti-inflammatories that soothe joints and support hormone balance. This breakfast is about momentum, fueling your healing even when your energy is low.
Breakfast número 5. Collagen powder y amla y warm lemon honey water.
Not every morning begins with hunger. Sometimes it begins with stiffness. Start your day with this therapeutic collagen tonic: warm water, hydrolyzed collagen peptides, amla, Indian gooseberry, fresh lemon juice, and raw honey. Taken on an empty stomach, collagen peptides quickly absorb and support joint repair, skin elasticity, and muscle recovery. Amla delivers stable, highly absorbable vitamin C to stimulate collagen production. Lemon juice enhances absorption. Raw honey offers anti-inflammatory and immune benefits. Clara, 74, once needed 15 minutes to get dressed. After 3 weeks of this simple drink, she called and said, "Doctor, I buttoned my blouse without thinking about it." This isn't just a warm drink. It's a morning message that says, "You're still healing.
You still matter."
Here's a truth few people talk about. Nutrition needs motion. Your body can't fully use the protein, collagen, and minerals in your breakfast without circulation. Even 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement after eating, stretching, walking, or light resistance, helps those nutrients reach your joints and muscles.
Y recal Mr. Frank, 83.
He added just 12 minutes of walking after breakfast. 2 weeks later he said, "Doctor, my legs now wake up with me, not after me." Food nourishes. Movement delivers. Together, they rebuild. Aging shows up in small ways. In how you rise from a chair. In how you climb stairs. But decline isn't inevitable. These breakfasts aren't just meals, they're decisions. Daily choices that tell your body,
I still care. I still believe in my strength.
Like Mr. James, 79, who once believed weakness was permanent. 3 months later, he carried his granddaughter up the stairs, not through miracle, but through small, consistent acts of care. So tomorrow morning, choose one of these breakfasts. Let it be your first step towards strength, dignity, and independence. Because healing is still possible. And it all begins with what you choose at the start of your day. If this video helped you, please
comment 1 below if you're feeling inspired.
Comment 0 if you have suggestions. I'm here to listen. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more senior-focused health advice every single week. Thank you for watching, and here's to living stronger, longer, and better on your own terms.